Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change between AM and PM, so 12-hour display and 24-hour display military time on your Casio GM-2100. All you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set is the home city, but we can use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. Here we have the DST. And the next feature is going to be the 24-hour/12-hour display. If you press the start button, so the button pusher on the right side, you will be able to switch to 12-hour display. If you want to switch back to 24, press it one more time, and that is all. Now let's switch to 12-hour display, and if that is all you wanted to set, press the adjust button in order to end the process. And as you can see, it is now 5:24, so that means that it is 5:24 in the morning. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I have a full guide on all the functions and features of the Casio Oak, so make sure to check it out, link in the description below. And also guys, if you found value from this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch even more tutorials, watch videos, watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.